In this video, I'll show you how to connect the Canon imageRUNNER 2425 to a computer through the network using an IP address. The Canon imageRUNNER 2425 can be connected to a computer through a network connection. This allows the computer to communicate with the printer, access its settings, and use network features such as printing and remote management. To enter or set the printer's IP address, open the administrator user account. If you haven't set a password, the default password is 7654321. Open IP address setting. Now add an IP address. You can use our IP address or any other IP address. Now apply the new changes. Now connect the network cable. Now click on Open Network and Sharing Center. Now open Local Area Connection. Now open Properties. Now open Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. In the IP address field, enter the IP address you created on the printer. Only change the last number to a higher number. For example, change 111 to 112. The last number must be different because each device on the network needs its own unique IP address to communicate correctly without conflicts. Now, search for the Canon imageRUNNER 2425 driver on Google and download it from the official Canon website. Now extract the downloaded driver using 7-zip. Now open Devices and Printers from the control panel. Now select Add a printer. Now select Have Disk. Now locate and select the driver folder. You'll see the network printer driver. The printer is now fully installed and ready to use. You can start printing your documents. As you can see, the Canon imageRUNNER 2425 is now successfully connected to the computer through the network, and the printer driver has been installed correctly. The printer is now ready to communicate with the computer through its IP address, and you can print your documents normally over the network. If you followed all the steps correctly, you should now have a fully working network printer without needing a direct USB connection. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. I'll see you in the next video with another printer tutorial.